Welcome to Lesson 13, AI and Job Displacement. Whenever AI enters the workplace, one of the first headlines we see is robots are stealing our jobs. And you know what? That fear isn't unfounded. We've seen it before with automation in factories, with computers in offices, and now with AI in nearly every field. But here's the deeper truth. AI rarely just erases jobs. What it really does is transform them. Some roles shrink, yes, but new ones emerge, and the businesses that thrive are those that recognize this shift early and prepare their people for it. So today, let's unpack not only the risks, but also the opportunities AI brings to the job market. On this slide, you see a simple diagram, jobs lost on one side, jobs created on the other. Think about routine, repetitive work, data entry, basic bookkeeping, customer FAQs. These are the easiest for AI to automate. They're rule-based, they don't require empathy, and machines can do them 24/7. But on the other side, we see new categories of work appearing. For instance, roles in AI supervision, people who monitor AI outputs, correct errors, and keep systems ethical. Roles in ethics and compliance, making sure AI aligns with laws and social values, and roles in customer engagement, where freed up time allows staff to focus on deeper, more meaningful conversations with clients. So rather than thinking in terms of jobs lost, I want you to start thinking in terms of jobs shifting. It's less about replacement and more about transformation. Let's take a real-world case, retail. We've all seen the rise of self-checkout systems. Many people assume, well, that's the end of cashier jobs. But did retail collapse? Number. What happened instead was a shift. Fewer cashiers at the register, yes, but more customer assistants helping people use machines, solving problems, and focusing on customer experience. And behind the scenes, new technical roles emerged to maintain those systems. So the lesson is clear. AI changes the shape of work, not just the number of jobs. Here's another case study, this time in accounting. A small firm introduced AI-powered tools to handle bookkeeping and tax filing. At first, employees were scared. Will I lose my job to software? But leadership took a different approach. They retrained their accountants to become advisors. Instead of crunching numbers, they focused on fraud detection, financial strategy, and personalized guidance. And here's the result. The firm didn't just survive, it thrived. Clients valued the higher level services. Trust grew. The business expanded. This is the opportunity AI offers. By automating the routine, it frees humans for higher value work. Let me ask you this. In your business, what tasks are repetitive enough that AI could take them on? And here's the second question. If those tasks were automated tomorrow, what could your employees do instead? Could they focus on customer relationships? Could they expand into new services? Could they innovate? I want you to reflect on this because the businesses that answer these questions early are the ones that stay ahead of the curve. So let's recap. Does AI destroy jobs? Not exactly. It shifts them, it eliminates some, but it creates others, often more meaningful, higher value ones. What's the SMB strategy here? Retraining, upskilling, preparing your workforce not just to survive automation, but to benefit from it. And here's the key mindset shift. Stop asking, how do I stop AI from taking jobs? Start asking, how can I use AI to elevate my people to do more valuable work? In our next lesson, we'll tackle a different kind of challenge, not jobs, but information. We'll examine how AI can spread stereotypes and misinformation, and why that's just as dangerous for SMBs as job loss.